How to use both cameras at the same time on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can use both cameras at the same time on the iPhone. iPhone is known as a brand that has one of the best cameras on the market. Therefore, it is not surprising that many content creators decide to use the iPhone. However, there is a problem that can be a problem for many people. In the camera application, you cannot use both cameras at the same time. This especially affects people who create vlogs and who need this option badly. However, there is a solution for this. We can solve this by installing the Dual Cameras application. The application is free, and you can download it from the App Store. When you open the application, you will see that both cameras are automatically turned on. However, that is not the end. If we tap on the button in the upper right corner, options for modifying options will open. You can choose the shape of the front camera. How much border will it have, as well as the color of the frame you want. When you have chosen all that, you can start creating your vlogs without any problems. Use the full potential of this application and raise your vlogs to a higher level. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.